Here's 5 features where you should choose Casekoo case for your next iPhone case upgrade. Once you open the package, you'll see some of those Casekoo characters. And here's everything they claim about this case. This case has amazing stats, MagSafe, military certified protection case. And make sure you wait all the way to the end for the test drop on the iPhone 15. And now let's get into the case. Feature number 1 is lightweight and durable, yet super tough aerospace aluminum. Not only does this case slick, but also built to handle drops and bumps. Feature number 2, strong magnetic charging. With 48 powerful magnets, it will charge faster and more efficient. No power loss, thanks to Casekoo advanced mag prime technology. Feature number 3, easy to clean and non-slip grip. Feature number 4, invisible kickstand. You can adjust it for the perfect viewing angle, whether you're watching portrait or you're watching in the landscape mode. Feature number 5, military grade protection. Let's go ahead and run a drop test on this iPhone 15. Right here, I'm about 4 feet high from the desk. I'm gonna go ahead and drop it face down. How about we drop it with the camera down? Nothing happened to the camera and everything's still good. If you like this phone case, check the link in the bio or the comment below. See you on the next one.